Guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Pandora app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you click here on profile, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on advanced, click on it. Then you come to next step here. You come here to play in on one situations, click on it. Then you come to this list. You come here to play artists audio messages, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now here. So and how can you select here artist audio message are off here. So if you want to add only want to hear music or message or to frequent or message content is not revealed to me. Or another reason here, then you click it on same to on skip, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.